Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into 10 must-have cleaning gadgets that will completely transform your cleaning routine. From smart mopping solutions to powerful scrubbing tools, these finds will help you clean faster, easier, and more efficiently. Many of them are available at great prices, so check the links below. Let's jump in. Take the hassle out of mopping with this intelligent robot mop. It uses precision jet spray and advanced navigation to clean multiple rooms and target sticky messes. Compatible with Alexa, you can start cleaning hands-free with a simple voice command. Plus, it automatically recharges and resumes, ensuring your floors stay spotless with zero effort. Vacuum and wash your floors at the same time. This powerful 2-in-1 cleaner tackles everything from hardwood to area rugs, making it perfect for homes with pets and kids. With a dual-tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, you'll always be cleaning with fresh water. No cords, no batteries, just effortless cleaning. This lightweight sweeper uses an electrostatic charge to attract dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The additional rubber rotor even helps clean up wet messes. Perfect for quick cleanups without the noise of a vacuum. Get streak-free windows in seconds. This rechargeable window vacuum removes water, dirt, and condensation from glass, mirrors, and shower doors, leaving a spotless finish. Say goodbye to paper towels and dripping messes. Double the cleaning power with this microfiber spray mop. Its dual-sided mop head flips 180 degrees, letting you clean twice as much before changing the pad. With a refillable bottle, you can use your favorite cleaning solution for a customized clean on any floor type. Tired of pet hair on your couch and carpets? This reusable pet hair remover pulls embedded fur from fabric, making it an eco-friendly alternative to disposable lint rollers. Just a few swipes, and your furniture is hair-free. Keep your hands clean while tackling tough grease. This dish wand has a built-in soap dispenser and heavy-duty scrubbing pads that cut through baked-on food effortlessly. Great for pots, pans, and even stovetops. Clean high ceilings, fans, and light fixtures without a ladder. This extendable duster kit includes multiple brush attachments, from a microfiber feather duster to a cobweb remover. Ideal for keeping dust out of those hard-to-reach spots. Revolutionize toilet cleaning with this powerful electric brush. With interchangeable brush heads and disposable cleaning pads, it scrubs away grime with ease. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use, making deep cleaning effortless. Dusting made easy. These microfiber gloves trap dust and debris from houseplants, blinds, and furniture with a simple swipe. No sprays needed. Reusable and washable, they're an eco-friendly way to keep your home dust-free. Upgrade your cleaning routine with these smart and practical gadgets. They're designed to save time, reduce effort, and make cleaning easier than ever. Check them out now and grab your favorites before they're gone. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more game-changing home finds.